top 3 HR and payroll software in Port Harcourt. Coming in at number 1 is LeadstackHR. Imagine a world where your workplace is productive, transparent, and seamlessly connected. With this software, payroll is processed instantly, saving you countless hours and preventing costly errors. Leave requests are tracked and approved. With just a few clicks, you can monitor performance in real time, giving you the insights needed to guide your staff effectively. All your employee records are right at your fingertips, and crucial documents are stored safely and securely in the cloud. Next up, at number 2, we have Deal. With Deal, you can handle payroll, track leave and appraisals, and so much more. And rounding out our top 3 is Zoho People. Zoho help manage payroll, employee leave, and conduct appraisals. So there you have it, our top 3 HR and payroll software picks in Port Harcourt with LeadstackHR for its all-in-one simplicity and employee empowerment. Choosing the right software can free you up to focus on what truly matters: building a great company culture and growing your business. It's all about empowering your employees, automating those tedious processes, and helping your business grow faster. As they say, LeadstackHR is where great teams thrive. It's truly designed to empower people and simplify HR. Click the link to get started with LeadstackHR.